Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about multiple stashes. So till now we have seen example with one stash, so it will be interesting to manage multiple stashes, and we'll create stashes with tags so that we can differentiate them. Along with that, we can see one particular stash, what are the changes are there, then we can apply it or drop it, or how we can clear multiple stashes at a time. So all these points we are going to discuss in this video. So first we are going to check the Git status, and it's clean. Now let's see the stash list, that is also empty. Now if I'll read the apple.txt file, it's also empty. So we are going to add a few lines to this file. So echo and then line 1, and then we can write into apple.txt. Now if I'll read apple.txt now, I can see there is line 1 added. So if I will check git status, one file has been modified. So I can stash it, but this time I will save it with one tag, that is line 1 added. Now it has been stashed, so let's clear it. And if I will list the stash, I can see here the stash along with the tag. Now I can check the apple file, it's again empty, so I will add one more line here. I will say echo line 2 and add to apple.txt, and then again I will stash it. With that, let's see the status, and then we are going to stash it. So stash, save, and line 2 added. Now let's again read the apple.txt file, and it's again empty, so we can add third line, that is line 3. I will add into apple.txt, and then we can see the git status. Again it's modified, so we'll again stash it and save it with line 3 added. So till now we have added 3 stashes. We'll add one more line. But before that, let's read the file, and then again we are going to write line 4 to apple.txt file, and this one also will stash. So before that we just saw the status, it's modified. Now let's stash it. So stash, save, and line 4 added. So now we have 4 stashes. If I list it here, we can see all of them. And this order is interesting, where you can see this 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the first one, 0 is the latest one. That is one point to note here. Now if I wanted to see one particular stash, so git stash so, and here I can give the stash number. So in stash 2 I can see apple.txt file has been modified. Now let's check the status. Again here it's clean, so we are going to apply one stash. So before that we just list out all the stash, and then stash apply, and we are going to give the number, like maybe stash @2 we are going to apply here. And now if I will read this apple.txt file, this one is your line 2 we had added on that stash. Here you can see line 2 was added, so we saw line 2 again in our working directory. So now if I wanted to drop this stash, so again stash drop, and we have to pass @2. This will drop this stash. Now let's check the stash list again, and this order is automatically rearranging 0, 1, 2. We can see those things. Now if I wanted to clear all the stash, then the stash clear will delete all of them. So if I will do stash list, it is empty now. So thanks for watching.